Hello friends, my name is Shivam from DevOps Schools and I will help you to enable your learning process in various technologies of DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data and many more. This is our initiative to help you by sharing multiple tutorials and videos. And if you want any specific tutorials on any particular topic, then please do comment in the below comment section and I will help you with it. Also, please subscribe to our premium services on YouTube, which will give you access to more content and videos to enhance your knowledge about all these topics. Also, if you want me to help you with regards to the online trainings and classroom sessions by our qualified trainers, then please do write me at contact@devopsschool.com. Thank you.
So Gokul here. So what software we
Hmm.
are using, like IntelliJ or something else to run the Terraform code?
So Terraform have own SDKs. Okay, so if we can go ahead with the Terraform documentation, there are some installation steps that we need to follow. We need to download latest version of SDK in our laptop. Okay, need to set up some, if there is a Windows laptop, need to set up the path in variable strings, and we need to perform the Terraform deployment through the, I can say, CLI as well as PowerShell as well as Visual Studio Terminal.
Okay. 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 So if there is a weekdays class, how many days per day?
So weekdays, I can say daily basis, okay, Monday to Friday, right? And that
Okay.
is something daily basis 1.5 hour, because of we are going with 4 weeks, right? So
Okay.
that time will sufficient. But if we can go with weekends, minimum 2 to 3 hours daily, because of I also need to cover the syllabus and teach you how it's working, what strategies we are applying over there. Make
Okay.
sense?
Yeah. Yeah. Good. Thank you.
Anything else, team? Anything would you like to ask? Yeah, if you have any silly question, that is also acceptable. I understand everyone is beginner in Terraform or everyone in intermediate level, otherwise expert as well. Okay, so if you have any questions, just hit. I'll be responsible to answer that question.
Yeah, yeah. So
So
is there a
this
way like, I
training,
mean, go ahead, please.
yeah, this training goes like a corporate kind of training or like a classroom training, like
No, no,
student
no.
learning.
That's yeah. That's why I mentioned in the start. Okay, I'm not teaching at the training who is going at class, like they will give you some documentation details, and same as like students. Okay, no, I can say not in that way. This is the completely industrial training. I'm sharing my life experience, which I feel whenever I deploying the code or testing the code or implementing what types of issues we are facing in the customer environments. Everything that details within an industrial level, not I can say normal student level where the trainers will come explain you the strategy. Hey, this is where you need to deploy and everything. No, that is
Okay,
that is not a perfect way, I can say.
yeah, that's good actually. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So
So, and one more thing, like, so if it would be good if we go on like every day for 1 hour, and weekends if we can extend that, like, I mean, depending on 2 or 3 hours. So then we can, then there won't be any like disconnection. Otherwise, like
No, no,
if
no.
we, yeah,
No, no,
that's what my,
I
yeah.
can say, suppose I'll tell you. If we can go with weekend now, still there is no disconnection. Because of, if once I cover my Sunday lecture, right, at that time I'll give you 6 to 7 case studies, okay? Daily basis, you need to follow one, okay? So
Okay.
you are in that form where you can get a time to test it out, everything like how this use case working, specific any Terraform deployment process, how to connect the virtual machines, everything cloud init setup or something like interaction between the networking and your infrastructure computing related part. Okay, so this types of stuff we can manage in weekdays.
Okay.
hello,
Yeah.
Bunka, can you hear
Yeah.
me? This is Ram.
Hey Ram, yeah, tell me.
Uh, so my question is, let's say you are going with Azure,
Hmm.
and so when you are going with Azure, let's say if any task is there, first you will show manually in Azure, and then you will come to the Terraform, right? Or
Yeah,
how it is?
if yeah, I'll tell you. Sometime what's happened, manually will never work. Why, I'll tell you. So everyone is currently in intermediate level. Okay, whenever I'm checking the time, like recently I covered one 20 people of batch. Okay, recently, yesterday that batch is covered. So everyone is in intermediate level. So what happened? They are not interested to move ahead and deploy manually. They are looking something where they can get a clear idea at the code level.
Okay.
And if anyone is not able to understand any specific part, definitely I'll try to explain that. Okay, but only on the demo purpose. If you want, I'll tell you sometimes what's happened. Like end users are expecting something like, hey, you tell me the Azure all services as well as Terraform, then it's challengeable because of with you lot of guys are there. Okay, if I'm explaining only the things which is related to the portal, that doesn't make sense, right? So I'll try to cover all the part. If you have any queries, you take my last 15 minutes whenever we are dropping the call. You say me, hey Unkar, just wait for 15 minutes. I have some doubts and I wanted to cover that one to one with you. Okay, I'll cover that.
Okay. And
Yeah.
while doing the labs, so you will perform, after that we will also perform, or like how it goes, like practicing?
Yeah. First I'll perform. Okay. Once I
Okay.
perform that lab, I'll ask to you, hey, is there any questions or any doubt? Once I explain and perform. Okay. And once I did that, based on my deployment, I'll give you one use case quickly over there. Okay. And that use case is related to the same deployment, but only on basic minor changes are there. Okay. And you need to deploy in a front of me. Suppose I deployed Linux machine, I'll give you the task, hey, deploy Windows, same code with Windows
Okay.
this way. Yeah. So what happened? You will gain the confidence as well over there. So that is my intention. And we are not teaching like explain the syllabus, cover the topics, and that's it. Close it out. No, we are trying to understand. Yeah, our end users are get the all points or not. Still, they have any issues. How we can overcome? How we can build them as a industrial level to design the Terraform.
Yeah. Whatever Ram
Makes
said is correct. Like sometimes we need to show, you need to show the how I mean what we do manually in Azure for creating a resource or resource
Yeah,
group or whatever.
as I mentioned, I'll definitely, but only for the demo. If you are looking something like the complete Azure, frankly speaking, this is the Terraform training, right? So if we are
Yeah.
planning like, hmm,
Yes,
I mean,
correct. But at least for some of those things,
yeah,
so
definitely,
we'll
I
do
will,
that
I will.
like
Yes,
load
yes, why
balancer
not?
or something, so people doesn't know like what's going on behind the scenes.
Hmm,
So without knowing that,
understand.
if you try to directly
No,
go
no,
to
no, no.
the, let me
I'll
finish.
never do that. No
Some
worries.
some
I'll
things
never do
like
that.
yeah.
Hmm.
Also, we need to have like I mean what each one of like the whoever is taking the training, right? So you need to know
Hmm.
like what their background. So then based on that,
Yeah,
we
yeah,
will get to
absolutely,
know.
sir. Absolutely. Don't worry for that. So whenever we are starting in a first lecture is something like interaction where we are understanding what level you have, like what is your industrial experience and what are the different domains where you are working, everything. Okay, and based on that, okay, we'll create one list and based on that we'll perform, the next level training. So no need to worry. That part, everything will take care. Okay,
Yeah.
related to
So
the
we are all on
beginners.
the same page, na? If
Hmm.
you are all on the same page, right? So sometimes you
Yeah.
can go fast and sometimes you can go slow if you are all on the same page.
Hmm.
Some if there are some freshers, na, so then it won't work.
No.
Like
I'll tell you. I'll
that's why
tell
I'm
you. I'll
asking.
tell you. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
If
sure.
they are freshers, right? So what is our strategy? I'll tell you. Suppose I have a 10 peoples of batch. In the 10 peoples, I have a 3 people who is freshers who don't know anything about that. So first, I'll go ahead with the expert level or intermediate, user who know the Terraform very well. Once I show the deployment, once I align the task, then I'll go ahead with this beginners who don't know anything. I'll guide them up to that. You have your use case that you need to perform, right? And you get one advantage also over there because of once I'm explaining the details with that beginners, okay, or the I can say newcomers. So that details you can also capture and you will get the chance to deploy some resources, do the practice over there, and still if you have any questions within that time you can raise that. Make sense, sir?
Omkar, this is Krishna. Is
Hey,
it
hi
possible
Krishna.
to go, yeah, any of those AWS or Google Cloud? because of Azure, I don't have any idea about the services or anything.
Yeah, don't worry, Krishna. I'll move ahead with Google as well. I don't see any challenge. And Azure also, if you are interested, I'll teach you the basic things okay, related to the
Because of
Azure.
yeah,
Mhm.
in my company, we are going with the Google, but based on not only me, ask with the other people also, which one is there
Hmm.
comfortable.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So I believe Venkateshwar, Ram, after that Suresh and Gokul. Can you help me? Like you are comfortable with any cloud or you're looking only on Azure?
No.
Suresh?
Um, I'm comfortable
Omkar,
with
I'm looking for
AWS.
AWS.
Okay, Ram looking for AWS. Suresh?
AWS.
Okay. Venkatesh, what about you?
Azure, Azure and mainly Azure primarily, and
Hmm.
AWS also primarily Azure.
Okay. So first thing I'll tell you. So whenever you are selecting this specific cloud, okay, I'll never explain you all the services. As I mentioned, the demo which I'm going to perform in a front of you, that I'll explain. And after that, the use case which I have aligned, if you have related that question, definitely I'll cover. But if anyone within this just wanted to clear out the issues, or I can say, the doubts. So if anyone is looking something like, hey, Unkar will explain all the services as well as Terraform, no. Okay, this demos, all the demos related to the AWS, Azure, anything, I'll be ready. Okay, if you have any queries, I'll be there. But some part, I can say 50 to 60% part related to the service level that you need to understand from yourself. So that's why just select the proper cloud. So once I explain, you will get the clarity. Because of you, if you don't know that service, I'll give you guarantee you will not understand anything over there. How I have set up that things, how it is working, okay? Nothing. So that's why I'm asking. So I can say three peoples are based on the AWS, okay, and one is based on Azure. Is it
Yeah,
correct?
I also go with the AWS. Yeah, because of
Okay, so
I'm
totally
familiar with
four peoples
AWS.
of AWS, one is Azure and AWS mix. So I don't see any challenge, okay? Because of I can say 99% is AWS, 1% is Azure. So I think Ram, you have a Azure and AWS both, right?
Yeah, both.
Okay, okay. Then I'll teach you that both, okay, the demo basis, okay. So some parts are related to the Azure demo, some are AWS, okay. So we'll cover all the things and daily basis. As I mentioned, when I need any presentation in front of you to show you the details, how it's working, like quickly I'll show you my presentation strategy, how I'm presenting. Do just let me know once the screen is visible.
So how about Suresh and Suresh? What he is interested in?
Suresh,
I mean, there is
switching
Yeah,
one.
I'm
on the
interested in
AWS.
AWS.
AWS only.
Okay.
They all are for AWS. So, yep. Is it visible?
Yes, we can see.
Yes.
Yep. So these are the my strategy. I never come with the theoretical part. I can say yep theoretical also, but there is only 2 to 3 lines, not more than that. And I'll try to explain is based on specifically I can say industrial experience, like what is the DevOps, why we use DevOps, what how automation will work, right? So this is one elephant, which is designed, and based on that, I'm going to explain the DevOps, like specific part, okay, which is segregated into the developer and operational engineer are combined with each other and designing one strategy which is related to the automation process to reduce the human interaction between the cloud and human, okay. So that is the something I'll explain in depth details. After that, suppose infrastructure as a code, what is exactly infrastructure as a code, why we use, why infrastructure code is needed. Like as you know, whenever we are working with infrastructure as a code, 30x faster performance you will receive, right? Code reusability capabilities we have. Suppose your customer have a three environments: development, staging, production, and pre-prod. Suppose pre-prod is also there. So definitely within a single code, if your developer is developing the only on one code, that you can replicate everywhere. Okay, you can set up the CI/CD integration strategies over there, right? So there are many advantages, and whenever we are talking about the infrastructure as a code, which is designed by the HashiCorp, right? Terraform. So every cloud platform have a Terraform, and currently Terraform is doing boom in a market because of if your application gateway in Azure, let's take example of Azure. If application gateway is taking specifically for I can say 15 to 20 minutes to deploy the application gateway, so you can get the chance to manage that application gateway with the Terraform within a 5 minutes, right? So that capability you will receive over there, right? That is something is possible with the Terraform, right? So there are multiple strategies, as I can say, why Terraform is important, why we are using this, right? So there are multiple capabilities, additional benefits, save time, money, temporary environment, disaster recovery solutions, right? So there are multiple capabilities that is available, requirements, right? So there are many more capabilities we have. So we'll cover all these points step by step, okay? And I can say, set up the configuration capabilities as well. So you get the clear picture. So any questions on this team? Anything would you like to ask? Currently, I have explained, a little bit faster because of, this is just example. I just need to show how I'm presenting the things. Like whenever we are starting with the Terraform, we are not only on focusing the Terraform. I'll give you the guidance. Why Terraform? How it is different compared to the Chef, Puppet, Ansible. These are also open source tools, right? So that is something possible through the Terraform, right? So yeah, any questions on this team? Anything would you like to ask?
And also, are you going to show you the what are the content are you going to
Yeah,
teach you on
definitely.
this?
Yeah. So I'll tell you that thing as well. So whenever we are talking about the content, so I'll share one link with you. So we are strictly following the my bad, HashiCorp concepts, okay, which is related to the HashiCorp documentation. So everything we are following that, okay. So whenever we start our sessions, at that time I'll give you the content and syllabus first, so you are familiar with that, and then that basis will start. So no need to worry, we'll cover every points, everything, every demo I can say, okay. And I'll give you the case studies as well that you can quickly and easily cover. So any other questions, team?
Yeah, all
Suresh,
good, Ank.
Ram? Yep, thank you, Gokul. Krishna, Venkateshwar, Ram, Suresh, anything would you like to ask?
No.
Okay, awesome then. Then let us know
Did you
like
share
when
the
you.
link?
Mhm.
Did you share the link or not?
So our plan is whenever we start the first session, right? At that time we'll share the syllabus because that time it would be helpful for me to show you the in-depth details. And if you want to check out the syllabus, just type the Terraform syllabus. You will receive within a first link. Okay, HashiCorp has been designed that. Okay, and that is available. But our intention is something like whenever we are starting the first session, at that time in front of you, I'll explain you the complete syllabus as well as the strategies, everything, the documentation which I need to pass to you, right? Everything I'll cover over there.
Uh, Omkar, just to check, so
Mhm.
let's say you are deploying resources in AWS. For example, I mean, I want to understand like how you teach, because
Mhm.
I had some bad experience in the past with other institutes. So while deploying, let's say any resources, let's say you deploy
Mhm.
VPC, and as part of the VPC you deploy different subcomponents, right? So you
Mhm.
will while writing the Terraform code, like
Mhm.
you will write the Terraform code and explain and write and explain and write, or you will directly take from the Terraform documentation.
Yeah, I'll tell you. So Ram and team, I believe these questions are many time comes, okay, whenever the demos are there. So Terraform is, not I can say specifically logical language, okay. There's all syntax and everything is designed by the HashiCorp end. Okay, we are not responsible to design any of the resource or designing strategy related to the Terraform. So definitely some of code part, everyone, not I'm not saying only on me or only on you or your trainer. Everyone will copy that code over the HashiCorp website only, because of daily basis I can say, within a
Yeah, yeah,
2
you
to
can
3 days
copy,
they, yeah.
you can copy,
Hmm.
but you'll explain the flow, right? Like flow, like what is
Yeah, yeah,
happening.
definitely, absolutely, absolutely. That's why without that we are not moving anywhere. Okay, so that is also covered. Okay, so no need to worry for that part as well.
Okay. Yeah, I'm only concerned about the flow because we need to
No,
know
no, no,
what is
no, no, no.
happening.
Yeah, yeah. So first, first two lectures will done. Then I'll take a feedback from you as well. Okay. So no need to worry. And on that feedback, definitely, if you want something more details or something like in another way, okay, you just tell me over there, and I'll be definitely help you on that part as well.
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
Yep. Any other questions, team? Okay, I think everyone is good over here, right? So you just contact to our team. Okay, team will guide you the next details. Okay, and yeah, hope so. We'll work together and build some confidence with the Terraform as well. Nice to talk with you all.
Okay,
Okay,
hold on,
thank you.
hold on. So
Okay,
like I
thank
mean,
you and thanks for your valuable time.
how many hours of lab session would be there in, I mean, approximately? So lab is more important,
Uh,
right?
yeah, yeah, definitely labs is more important, and I can say every topics have labs. So suppose I have defined the
Yeah.
variable file,
So
I'll
so
give
like
you
I
the lab.
mean, yeah, the main here only two people are
Your voice
looking.
is low, Venkateshwar.
Yeah, only two people are looking for Azure and the others are looking for AWS. Then how can we do it
No, no, no.
parallel?
Who
So
who
that's
two
why.
is who is two looking for the AWS? I can say
I mean,
four is looking for the AWS. Only Ram is looking basic thing on Azure, but he is also interested for AWS. So we'll follow the flow of AWS only.
no, no, I primarily look for Azure only.
You are looking for the Azure as well.
Azure
Okay,
only. Azure primarily Azure.
okay, fine. Then for you, we will manage the Azure for you as well. I don't see any challenge for that.
Okay, but like I mean, if you are going by AWS lab, right? So I
Your
need
voice is low, sir. Please.
if you are going by AWS lab, na. So
Mm-hmm.
while demonstrating, so then it would be a challenge for me, like to get onto the live sessions,
No, no,
practicing
no,
and
no.
all.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So what we'll do,
I
you just check it out for the first two lectures. If you are satisfied, I'll tell you the complete Azure things. Okay. If you are satisfied, then it's good. Otherwise, for you and Ram, okay. If you are both working on Azure, first initial I can say the basic things related to the Terraform that will cover with these guys, and then I'll segregate your batch, okay, with Azure and this guys for AWS. But first 4 5 lectures, like for the initial phase, everything is same, every platform.
yeah yeah
So at that time,
yeah
we'll take the mixed lecture.
okay yeah. So I need more content on Azure Lab only. So that's why Azure
Yeah, yeah,
with Azure.
definitely. Yeah, yeah,
So
we'll cover Azure.
that's why,
No
like, if
worries.
you give me that confidence, like if you have the past experience and if you give me that confidence, then we can go ahead.
Yeah, 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 definitely, absolutely, sir. Don't worry for the experience and everything. Okay, as I mentioned, I work with the multinational organizations, not for the India. My every customer is foreign customers. Okay, and that currently US, UK, Canada is everyone is looking for the automation process. Okay, and so I deployed everything with the automated way. So no need to worry about that part. You will get
Yeah,
the
yeah, yeah.
complete idea
Because
once I start the course.
yeah, yeah. Because I mean, see, in AWS the services are different. In Azure the services
Yeah,
are
yeah,
different,
agree,
like app
definitely.
service,
Services are
blobs.
not different. The little bit changes are there,
Yeah,
okay? I can
little bit
say
changes.
GUI changes, basic functionality changes. Like Azure, we can call VNet. In AWS, we can call VPC. Azure, we can call VM. And AWS, we can call EC2, right? The little bit
EC2.
changes,
Yeah,
only
yeah,
the
yeah.
functionalities and all that stuff will change.
Yeah, yeah. So, but because
I
there
think
are
you will
some
teach both,
resources in
right?
it.
You will teach both. I think. For example, you are creating a EC2 instance or virtual
Mhm.
machine. You will take the example in AWS and also you will take the example in Azure, right? You will do
No,
both,
no,
right?
no. It's challengeable. It's challengeable. Frankly speaking, it's challengeable. At a time, two demos, challengeable. Okay. I'll explain you. You will not get any clarity. You will come second day, hey, Onkar, I didn't get it. Frankly, give
Okay.
you this, suggestion. You can go ahead with only on single platform. I can say AWS to AWS, Azure to Azure only. Okay. If you
It will be
do both
confusing when we
anytime,
are selecting the resources are right.
Yeah, it will confusing, and many time I saw, because of, as I mentioned, 100 plus peoples go through with my batch, and many time I saw whenever I'm explaining two demos, anyone who is going to understand about the AWS as well as Azure not understand anything, second day that person will come to me and ask, hey Onkar, I didn't get it for yesterday's lecture, can
Yeah,
you
yeah,
please
yeah.
help me?
Okay.
Yeah, true.
Yeah,
If you completely know the one thing, I mean, if you are comfortable at one thing, so then the second one may not be confused. But for
yeah.
initially, it would be confusing for
Yeah,
us initially.
right. Because of at a time two clouds, some peoples don't have experience. They are working on only on single cloud. So at that time, it's little bit challengeable. Like suppose I have set up the agent configuration in EC2, so that is completely different in specifically for Microsoft Azure. And what happened in this? In a front of me, you will do well, but after that, whenever you are going to deploy, what you will do, you will configure the AWS agent into the Microsoft Azure Terraform code configuration, and complete, I can say, conflict will happen. You are not able to understand anything, and completely your mind will blank over there, what I need to do.
Okay.
Okay. So, like, I mean, it's all like depends on how you manage both these things.
Yeah, absolutely correct.
Okay. When is the batch starting? Like, is it Monday or
So
tomorrow
I
or?
believe for that details, Samar and our DevOps school team will guide you. Samar, can you help me over here, like when we are going to start this and everything?
Yeah, hi. Actually, the batch will start only when all the participants will agree. Like if they are agreeing with the demo session, okay. After that, we will talk with everyone, okay, and we will schedule a class.
So total 4 weeks. Like 1 week is a buffer.
Yep,
Yeah.
definitely.
Okay.
1 week is buffer because of sometime what's happened. I'll tell you. Some
Yeah.
people's are beginner and they want to perform some task in a front of me. Like if they have any queries or something that, so they can cover it quickly and easily
Yeah,
in my
that's good
guidance.
actually. Yeah. Extra section for questions.
Yep, that is the reason. Okay. Anything else, team?
No, thanks. Is the demo completed?
Yes, definitely. I just wanted to cover the all details in a front of you and show you what is my presentation strategies and everything. Okay, so no need to worry. Okay, every topic will cover. Okay, in a best way, best manner. Okay, and I can say definitely you will get some industrial confidence to in your project you will able to deploy resources, manage it, understand it properly. Okay, so just take your decision and let us know like how you wanted to go. Okay, and I'll be there
You
for
cover
your
the
help.
real-time scenarios, right? Some real-time scenarios like
Yeah, absolutely.
how.
Every some, not a some, every real time scenario. Every scenario is real time, I can say.
Okay. Onkar, I want to talk to one to one. Is it possible to connect like after this demo?
Sorry.
I want to have a one to one talk with you. Is it possible like after this demo?
Yeah. For who is talking this? I didn't get it. Like because of
Ram.
Okay. Yeah, I'm sure you can reach out to our team and they will guide you for that.
Because I have some unique custom requirement. Currently the projects are going on, so I should be able to up to the speed. But few questions I have on that, so I want to talk offline with you.
Yeah, once these guys will drop, okay. Now our demo is covered. Once everyone is dropped, I believe DevOps school team is here, right? You can go ahead then. Okay.
Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the 3D99 plan and grow your skills immensely. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.